Welcome back to my channel. French Bulldogs are cute, they're funny, they're compact, and they're everywhere. And right now they are the most popular purebred dog in the United States. But here's the truth most people don't hear until after they bring it home. French Bulldogs are one of the most medically complex and expensive breeds you can own. So today we're having the honest conversation. If you're thinking about getting a French Bulldog, or you already have one, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Their personality, their health issues, their care needs, the real costs, and who this breed is actually right for. French Bulldogs weren't bred to be working dogs. They weren't bred to herd, hunt, or guard. They were bred to be companions. The breed traces back to the 1800s. They were favored for their size and personality, and over time the upright bat ears became the breed's signature look. Frenchies were designed to be small, calm, human-focused, and indoor companions. In that sense, they succeeded. Today's French Bulldogs weigh about 16 to 28 pounds. They stand 13 inches tall. They live an average of 10 to 12 years, often less when health issues are severe. French Bulldogs are often described as goofy, clownish, loving, and a Velcro dog. And that's accurate. Most Frenchies want to be with their people all the time. They'll follow you from room to room. They love attention and affection. They are generally good kids when properly supervised and get along with other pets when socialized early. They are emotionally intelligent dogs. They read people well, sometimes too well. But here's what people don't always expect. French Bulldogs can be stubborn, dramatic, manipulative, and selectively obedient. They're smart, but not always eager to please. Training is absolutely necessary, even though they're small. Small dogs still need structure. French Bulldogs are low to moderate energy dogs. They enjoy short walks, playtime, mental enrichment, and sniffing and exploring at their own pace. They do not need long walks or hikes, running, intense exercise, or high heat activities. And in many cases, they should not do those things. Why? Because French Bulldogs are brachycephalic. This is the single most important section of this video. French Bulldogs have a shortened skull, which means narrow nostrils, elongated soft palates, crowded airways, and a reduced ability to cool themselves. This condition is called Brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome. Common things you'll notice include loud snoring, snorting and gagging, labored breathing, exercise intolerance, heat intolerance, and collapsing in the warm weather. Many owners think this is normal for the breed. It's common, but it's not healthy. Some French Bulldogs eventually require airway surgery. These surgeries can significantly improve quality of life, but they are expensive, risky, and not guaranteed to solve anything. This is why French Bulldogs should never be over-exercised, left outside in the heat, taken on long walks in the summer, left in cars even briefly. Heat plus a French Bulldog equals an emergency. French Bulldogs are also prone to serious spinal disease, especially intervertebral disc disease, IVDD. This condition occurs when discs in the spine bulge or rupture, pressuring on the spinal cord. Signs include back pain, weakness, difficulty walking, sudden paralysis, and loss of bladder or bowel control. IVDD can happen suddenly at a young age and without warning. Treatments may involve strict crate rest, pain medication, anti-inflammatories, and emergency spinal surgery. Surgery can cost thousands of dollars and recovery is long. French Bulldogs should avoid stairs and avoid jumping on furniture. They should be supported when lifted and maintain a healthy weight. Now we'll talk about their skin, allergies, and ear problems. French Bulldogs are not low maintenance when it comes to skin. They are prone to environmental allergies, food allergies, chronic ear infections, and skin fold infections. Those cute little facial wrinkles, they need regular cleaning and drying. Without proper care, they can develop redness and odor and moist dermatitis or painful infections. Many Frenchies require a prescription diet, allergy medications, medicated shampoos, and frequent vet visits. This is ongoing, not a one-time fix. Other frequent French Bulldog health problems include eye issues like corneal ulcers, cherry eyes, dry eyes, and eye trauma because their eyes protrude. Gastrointestinal sensitivities like chronic diarrhea, gas, vomiting, and food intolerance. Many Frenchies have very sensitive stomachs, which means limited diet options, slow food transitions, and frequent trial and errors. French Bulldogs are short-haired, but that doesn't mean easy. Their regular care includes facial fold cleaning, ear cleaning, nail trims, skin checks, and dental care. They shed more than people expect, drool occasionally, and they are famous for gas. Bathing too often can worsen skin issues, so balance matters. Dental disease is also common, and dental cleanings may be needed earlier than expected. Let's talk numbers. Purchase price can be as much as $2,000 to $5,000 plus dollars. And rare colors often signal unethical breeding. Ongoing costs include routine vet care, allergy management, prescription diets, medications, emergency visits, possible surgeries, pet insurance premiums. French Bulldogs are consistently ranked among the most expensive breeds to own over a lifetime. Pet insurance or a dedicated emergency fund is not optional, it's essential. So who should and should not get a French Bulldog? A French Bulldog may be right for you if you're home often, you want a companion, not an athlete, you're financially prepared, you're committed to medical care, and you live in a climate-controlled environment. A French Bulldog may not be right for you if you want a low-cost dog, you work long hours away from home, you live in extreme heat, you want an outdoor active dog, or you aren't prepared for medical challenges. French Bulldogs are a special consideration breed that thrives with the right owner. When people understand the health considerations, plan for the costs, and adjust their care routines, French Bulldogs are loyal, loving, and hilarious companions. If this video helped, like it so other future owners see it, subscribe for honest educational pet content, comment below, are you researching a French Bulldog or do you already have one? And if you're still deciding, watch this video again before you bring one home. Better information leads to better ownership and better lives for the dogs we love. I'll see you on the next video.